Alright, my chutney, my fresh chutney I make for curries, they all have these three elements. They all have onion, tomato and cucumber, and there's roughly half a cup each of that. That's just a single tomato chopped up. And then whatever crunchy fruit or vegetables I've got to hand, and in this case I've got some red and yellow sweet peppers or capsicums, and I've got a little celery which I've chopped up into the same size pieces as the rest. Now, as for the dressing for it, I generally use some chopped up fresh or frozen coriander or dhania, salt and pepper, and usually some kind of souring agent. Now, the one that I much prefer is tamarind in its various types. So here I have a Thai tamarind paste and an Indian tamarind paste. The Indian one is a little more concentrated, a little stronger, but the one I'm going to use today is this. It's already made up. It's a tamarind sauce and it's marketed by Maggi, and I get it from an Indian store, local store that sells Indian grocery. So I'm going to use that, but you can use any souring agent. And what I like to do with this, I just like to pour about a teaspoon, maybe a little more, into a vessel like that. So around about a teaspoon. It's not a lot. You don't need a lot of dressing for this. And mix that with about the same amount of water. So I'll do that. So it really is a simple thing to do. As for the fresh herbs, parsley is okay, but coriander is probably better for this. So that's just a very simple tamarind mixture of this tamarind sauce, which has cumin in it, or jeera in it. So it really does give a really nice flavour. So it's I really like to use that one. So if you can find it, dig it out and use it. If not, any souring agent, even lemon juice or lime juice or vinegar if you need to, but you try and use a good vinegar. But these tamarind pastes are really quite good too. So now all I need to do now is get all that plus some chopped coriander into a bowl and mix it all together. So as you see, I've got it all mixed into the bowl with some chopped coriander. That's frozen fresh coriander, which I've just crushed up and thrown in there. So you get that kind of, and in goes your dressing. Now you might want to adjust for salt and pepper. So we'll need a little taste of that. I'm going to use that spoon, and then that's pretty good. It needs a little bit of salt and pepper, so a few twists of black pepper and not much salt at all. That'll do it. So always taste as you go. So a few of you have asked me about the side dish that you saw in one of my recent videos, curry videos, and this is basically how I make it. Aside from the cucumber, onion and tomato, you're better off using any crunchy or hard fruits you've got. So nice hard semi-ripe mangoes, rather good. Peaches, if you've got some lovely peaches, they're rather nice, or nectarines, but anything like that. And it really just, what you're trying to make up is really just a fresh chutney which will brighten up the mouth and complement the hot spiciness of your curry. So there you go. That's how it's done. Enjoy. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to follow my channel, please subscribe and be sure to click the bell icon to receive notification of all my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.